wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best tumbling mats. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Featuring closed-cell foam, the Z Athletic V4 Folding has enough toughness and comfort for martial arts, gymnastics and other high-impact activities like wrestling. It allows for both end-to-end and side-to-side connections and can be unfolded with little trouble. It stands up to abuse, however it is more expensive than comparable items, and it emits a slight chemical odor. At number 9, with the Zeyu Sports Children, you get not only a colorful folding mat, but peace of mind as well. This 2-inch thick model protects against bumps and falls, and is made from flame-retardant materials that are safe and eco-friendly. The covering is non-absorbent, and it's a budget-conscious choice, but it is too small for older kids. Coming in at number 8 in our list, the Polar Aurora Thick provides a secure, comfortable area for high-impact exercises. This model surface is resistant to mildew, making it simple to clean and care for. If you need to remove the cover, you'll find that it's zipper sealed. It can connect at the sides and ends and offers effortless transportation. However, the outer material could be more durable. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tumbling mats, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the ECR4 Kids Softzone comes in 3 lengths, but if none of these are large enough, you can join multiple mats together at the ends with the hook and loop fasteners. The bright primary colors work well in a playroom, as does the phthalate-free vinyl. It stacks for handy storage and is suitable for classrooms, but its soft foam is not for serious gymnasts. Moving up our list to number 6. The WeSell Mats Cheese Wedge offers a commercial-grade construction that can stand up to years of use, making it a great choice for gyms, play centers and schools. It'll soften up a little after repeated use, so tumbling will be even more comfortable. It's available in 4 sizes and 3 different colors. However, it's a little bulky even after folding. Halfway up our list at number 5. The compression-resistant EPP foam of the Lesmile PU is covered with non-skid leather, so you or your children have the best chance of coming away from practice unscathed. If you're looking for use ideas, it also happens to come with exercise instructions. You can choose between black or blue, and it works for yoga too. It's easy to clean with a damp cloth. At number 4, the best choice product, Sky 1472, is a 10-foot by 4-foot model. It attaches to other mats via Velcro straps, which are found on both ends, allowing you to make a longer tumbling track or larger play area for rambunctious youngsters. It folds into a quarter of its size, and comes with a surface made of PU leather that has tear-resistant sewn-in handles. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Unlike many other options, the Tumbl Trak Gymnastics contains cross-linked polyethylene foam, which is a strong choice because it's neither too firm nor too soft. It complements the 18-ounce knife-coated vinyl covering nicely. This one's guaranteed to be lead-free and is available in several attractive designs. It comes from a trusted name in gymnastic supplies. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tumbling mats, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, the prosource trifold is a little thinner than a lot of other options, which makes it that much easier to squirrel away into a tight space when it isn't in use. It's ideal for protecting your elbows and back while doing at-home core workouts like planking and crunches. It fits easily in most gym lockers and keeps its shape over time. It's backed by a limited lifetime warranty. And taking the top spot on our list, the soozier leather comes in an extensive range of colors and patterns, from hot pink and black stripes to blue and yellow triangles. Each option has Velcro on all 4 sides, so connection possibilities are virtually unlimited. It's made from high-density EPE foam and is a 4-panel construction. Comes at a good price for the quality. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for tumbling mats, or simply click beneath this video.